Everything inside is dry. Beads of sweat drip down my eyes like fatal tears laced with cyanide. Dangerous recipes of karma and spice are best served cold on a plate of dry ice. With the helping of revenge served on the side, a spell was put on me, I don't know why. But this spell isn't made of potions. In fact, it's the opposite. An oasis that's drenched in rain and lotion. You murder just for a drop of it. No pipes being cleaned, no runny kisses. Not that it's any of your goddamn business, but I'd kiss you twice if I had 3 wishes, and with the third I'd be your missus. It's a tough pill to swallow when it's all a drought. I'll be writing of you till my ink runs out. You're at the top of my mind and tip of my tongue, and then once we part a deluge of rain comes. It soaks us till our roots start to rot, as if being dry is something we forgot. And then again comes your spell, a tumbleweed inferno rolling in hell. A fire like none I've ever felt, one so intense that together we melt. No pipes being cleaned, no runny kisses. Not that it's any of your goddamn business, but I'd kiss you twice if I had 3 wishes, and for the third I'd be your missus. So we mold our clay into whatever we want, like we've been Pygmalion all along. 'Cause we puffed life into its clay-formed lung that breathes forever to the beat of this song. Abracadabra, your spell's a success. Watch me now as I take off my dress. Meet me in bed when you come to collect. Tangle in the fibers like 2 bugs in a web. Make me pour from my